Just in Catherine there. This is Heidel.
46.31% Catherine, 45.57 for Heidel.
This is Woolmer's girls.
They say they're going to win because they have 45.40, the fastest qualifying time.
Edwin Allen.
They have the third fastest qualifying time, 45.73.
So is Homewood Technical.
Now we get to the 46 range, 46.05 for Homewood Technical.
Manchester High.
They have a time of 47.50 as their qualification.
And next now St. Jacob, they're running out of lane 2.
At 47.43.
And on the inside, they've been having a great championship, St. Mary High.
And they qualified for this final with 47.64. I dare say that other than their tech, no team is missing from this final, and that Woolmer's girls, who has done exceptionally well in the hurdles and the sprints today, believe this could be one of the crowning moments for them in Class 1, not 4 or 3, Coach Wilson, to win gold in the 4x1 Class 1.
That's a crowning achievement for most teams at championships.
The record 43.28 by Edwin Allen. The heavy hitters are here now. Out and about the first time I'm asking. Clean start, Edwin Allen. Homewood Technical is up there. Heidel as well, the defending champions. Very much in the thick of things. First handover. Woolmer's going well. Heidel moving brilliantly down the back stretch. Edwin Allen is up there. Woolmer's. Homewood Technical has some catching up to do. Penultimate handover has Heidel. Out there, Edwin Allen now has a bit between their teeth. Homewood Technical is trying to come on late. Off the top bend from the final handover now. They have got to get back to Heidel. Out and about, Heidel looking good. Edwin Allen digs into a deeper gear now. Homewood Technical in the bronze medal position, but they can't get back to Heidel. Brilliant anchor from Abigail Campbell. The silver to Edwin Allen. Bronze to Homewood, 44.73. Heidel, oh, they looked imperious.
A fantastic running by Heidel team. Excellent backstretch by Alia Baker. She blew away all other competitors on the backstretch. Excellent baton passing. Fantastic way of putting that team together. Great running, Bruce.
Woolmer's with Michaela Gardner actually ran up for bronze, Spencer. Heidel says we won the 100 in Class 1, the 200 in Class 1. We have now won the 4x1. Here they go. At this stage, it is clear Heidel off to the best start. Closing in on St. Catherine on lane 8. Handing off first to the fastest girl in Class 1. Abigail Woolmer's trying to come back, but Alia Baker would be untouched. At this stage, Heidel is so far ahead, they won't be touched. Problems with the change for Woolmer's there. They fell behind Homewood at this point. But Heidel, look at this stepping, running up to Abigail Campbell. You can tell she's a 4x4 girl. She needed to look back, switches the baton to her right hand, a la 4x4. You may not see it until late that Natasha Fox of Edwin Allen Campbell, but look at Michaela Gardner, closing faster, and on the line, takes that Woolmerian lead. Here's the last change, Coach Wilson.
Great change. Abigail switching the baton in her hand, did not slow her down, but with her strength, speed, endurance, was able to hold on, got the baton leading, and a great win for Heidel.